Hello everyone, and now we are discussing the under endocrine system, the concept of fight or flight. It comes under question that how does endocrine system helps in control and coordination in an organism, in the body of an organism. Now see what happens. And this also comes under this question, justify the statement fight or flight with reference to the endocrine system or with reference to the role of hormones or endocrine system in case of control and coordination of your body. Now see what happens. We can explain it with this example. Suppose a man being chased by a barking dog. So this barking dog acts as a stimulus. This barking dog acts as a stimulus. This is a change in the environment, and this stimulus is received by eyes and ears, right? So these are the sense organs. They are receiving the stimulus from the outside body. Now when the stimulus is received, what would be the response of the man? It could be two. Either the man would run or the man would fight with the dog if the dog jumps over the man. Now this is the response. Now how does this endocrine system helps the man to give this response? First of all, when the brain receives these stimulus by these sense organs, then brain triggers with the help of pituitary gland, triggers the secretion of this hormone called adrenaline, and this hormone is secreted by a gland called adrenal gland. This is adrenal gland. So this is an endocrine gland, and this is the hormone. So this hormone is secreted directly into the bloodstream. And what is the role of this adrenaline? This adrenaline will increase the rate of heartbeat. It increases heartbeat, or it also increases the rate of respiration. Why? Because the body, in order to run or to fight, its muscles need more energy. Brain needs more energy to coordinate. So heartbeat increase means the blood, you can say flow of blood has to be increased. Why? Because body needs energy, so body needs more oxygen to break down glucose. So rate of respiration is also increased for the increased intake of oxygen. So blood will transport this oxygen to the cells, and quickly you can say body will release energy, and this energy will be utilized by the brain and the muscles in order to respond towards this stimulus. So this is how this in this case this endocrine system works, and that is why this adrenal gland, it is also known as the gland of emergency. The gland of emergency. It works in the case of any fight, or you can say the case of fear or any kind of emergency. This adrenaline is secreted by adrenal gland. So this was all to answer for fight or flight, or how does control and coordination is regulated by endocrine system. Thank you.